Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Trader Joe, or just Joe. I'll probably just call it Joe in this video, even though it sounds a bit weird. But yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll do a video on that because Joe was very, very bullish yesterday. The volume went up from around 10 million in the morning up to 200 million, which it is right now. Manipulated, 100% manipulated. Like, you cannot really see it in the volume, to be honest, but it's like there was no news supporting a move like this at the very least. And it's going against the markets as well, so that's usually some indication that it's manipulated. Doesn't matter though, we can still trade it, and then just in this video I wanted to give you my thoughts on that. I do want to warn you first that if a crypto is manipulated like this, then it's usually best to stay away, all right? Unless you're an experienced trader, most people will lose money on this because the manipulators make a lot of money usually, and it's a zero-sum market. So if someone makes a lot of money, that means a lot of other people lose a lot of money. So yeah, that's just a warning in the beginning. We'll take a look at Joe. I'll tell you all the technicals you need to know, what's possible from here, how high can it get, and yeah, just everything you need to know, I think. But before we dive into that, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you also want to learn how to analyze and trade for yourself, that might be the best option out there. But for now, let's actually get into Joe. So yeah, volume, like I said, very high. Usually if you see a volume spike like this, and you also see it, like if in the last day, most of these moves are just spikes. And you can also see that on the 15-minute time frame here. This looks very manipulated. All right, so that's what's going on right now, manipulation. Now that means nothing in terms of is it bullish or bearish. It just means that it's unpredictable and volatile. So right now, I would say there are two key levels, all right? And one of those key levels was already broken yesterday, and that is this 382 fib, around 32 cents, a little bit below that, but still. That broke yesterday with this candle right here, and then you can see we took a bearish break retest and actually moved down all the way to this 28.5 cents level, which held, because this is a strong support level, and you have the 0.618 fib there. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to hold if that whole level around 32 cents breaks again. It's a major level because not only is it the 32 cents level at this point in time, it's also the 0.236 fib, which wasn't respected yesterday, but it was respected with that bearish break retest. Like maybe we can see that on the 15-minute time frame. Right here, the first time 32 cents was broken, this is the 15-minute time frame, so it's not too great. But then it actually was not respected. But then the second time it was broken, right here, it was actually respected. And then the 236 fib was taken as a bearish break retest, and from there it dropped back down. So now it's not really respecting those levels. Like it's a very hit or miss at this point of time. But I would say that still that entire level between 32.5 cents and 32 cents is the main level to watch. Because if that breaks, I expect movement down to 30 cents. I expect movement down to 28 cents. And then from there, we'll see again whether 28 cents is going to hold us again or not. If barely any support is gotten from there, then it's more likely that Joe will drop down further towards that 25 cents level. Yes, really 25 cents. For now, though, since we don't have that bearish breakout, it's the main thing to watch. But for now, Joe is still quite bullish. So what's also possible, I wouldn't say it's the most likely right now, because you can see that the volume is already, well, no, the volume is actually still going up. All right, so maybe this might be the most likely. But on the other side, you have this 34.5 cents level. If that breaks, which Joe was unable to do yesterday, then Joe can go all the way up to 40 cents, which is a major resistance. It's a great resistance, 40 cents psychological resistance, and a 382 fib. So these are the two scenarios, and because it's manipulated, like I said, it's unexpected. It's better to just wait for confirmation with one of these two breakouts, and if you want to trade Joe, just trade depending on that. All right, that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.